In today's fiercely competitive market, packaging is not merely about protection. It's about efficiency, image, and trust. The 4-lane horizontal bagging machine delivers a new level of performance for liquid packaging. This equipment consists of a liquid filling pump and a horizontal bag packaging machine, enabling precise filling and sealing. It significantly boosts production capacity while ensuring stable and reliable operation. Whether it's stand-up pouches, zipper bags, or custom-shaped bags, it adapts effortlessly to provide brands with diverse packaging options. In food packaging, whether it's ketchup, condiments, cooking oil, or soup bases, each pouch is precisely filled to ensure consistent taste and appearance. It also works for laundry detergent, shampoo, liquid soap, and other daily chemical products, truly achieving cross-category versatility. Featuring an intelligent operating interface with convenient parameter adjustment, it effortlessly handles both small batch and large-scale production. Each bag is securely sealed and neatly packaged for easy transportation, storage, and display, ensuring reliable quality. 4-column horizontal bagging machine, delivering efficient, flexible, and reliable packaging solutions for liquid products.